been a century that the IBEW and NECA have existed together, and I hope it goes for another century because it is key to the community. What they contribute and what they bring to the St. Louis area and metropolitan area, I think is second to none.
It's very exciting to be involved with NECA and IBEW because we're involved with building basically everything you see here in the city. We build it. We make the power. We power St. Louis.
IBEW training is outstanding. It's ahead of its time. The quality of the whole apprenticeship program is great. After they start the apprenticeship program, it takes off. You spend 2.5 years in the school where you learn everything from AC theory to DC theory to transformers, all the way up to motor controls.
Down here in the school, we definitely thrive on others doing well. I would rather see other people succeed more than just myself succeeding, which then props me up and I start to succeed at stuff too. So as we build each other up, we just get better and better.
As a superintendent of schools, there's a lot of things to worry about, but when we have projects that are handled with Local 1, the IBEW workers, I can sleep easy at night because we know they're going to do a great job. They're the most skilled craftsmen for the job, and they're going to complete that job in a timely manner for us.
By having that investment in training, the customer is assured that the journeyman workforce that's on their site is familiar with all of the systems that they're going to be installing, knows how to do that work in a safe manner, is going to adhere to the highest codes of installation, and that they're at the end of the day going to get a project where everything functions exactly as they expect it to.
I look at the value of the electrical connection through the Habitat lens because of the affordable housing component, but the fact they have this relationship and that they care about affordable housing as well as other aspects of our community, I think that speaks volumes on the fact that they care about St. Louis as a whole.
We started the first year back in '93 with 57 kids were helped. That was the money we had raised. Up until this past year, we raised enough to help 529 kids. So it's been a wonderful success over the years. The electrical connection has helped us to do actually thousands of kids over the last 27 years.
They're encouraging contractors to become more, what shall I say, diverse in their employment. They're helping contractors grow. They're supporting our organization, not only with their guidance of people toward us, but also financially. So there's a whole range of benefits.
One of the things that I'm really proud of personally is how we've been able to diversify our workforce. It is a huge step towards where we would like to be in the marketplace, where our construction crews more accurately represent the populations that we serve.
The electrical industry is so broad. It would have been easy for me to stay a two-person residential shop, as we were 4.5 years ago, and made a comfortable living. Or you can try to go to a multi-million-dollar company who employs people and helps the community. So it depends on what you want, but I think that the opportunity is there. Again, you get the chance to create an atmosphere and a culture. You get to work with the people that you want to work for. You get to work on the jobs that you want to work on. So it's sort of a design your own pathway type of field. I guess I do want to show some gratitude just to the electrical connection, to the relationship between NECA and the Union Hall and the training center. There's just sort of this maturity of understanding how entities work together.